Vice ganda, buong araw nag-iiyak sa pagkawala ng anak, Showtime fam kaagad nakiramay. Hindi nga maitago ni Vice, ang lubos na kalungkutan nito, sa pagkawala ng kanyang anak at alaga na si Chip-In, na ayon na kay Vice ay kauna-unahan umano nitong alaga. My dearest Chip-In, you have been with me for more than 6 years, you were my first fur baby, you were my source of joy when I was so down, you made me look forward to coming home from a very exhausting day. You stayed beside me when I was lonely, you listened to me when I was upset, you kissed me when I was crying, when you were sick, I asked you to fight because I was not ready to lose you, I was too weak, it would break me, and you made sure to survive. We were so happy, I knew you fought hard enough to stay with me, but today I guess it's really time to say goodbye and let you run and play in heaven. I'm so sad, been crying since morning, I didn't know that losing a fur baby would hurt this much. I realized you were not just a dog, you were my baby, my family, my true friend, you gave me so much love, and I loved you with all my heart. I thank God for you, Mommy Vice. Kaagad rin na nakiramay kay Vice sila Kim at ang kanyang Showtime family.
Bye-bye, good night.